name's Chris Tyson. I work for KTM Roofing, and here are some pointers for selecting a roofer. There are a number of things you look for in a company. One is how long has the company been around. You shouldn't have to pick a company that's been around for any less than 10 years. For a company that is offering a warranty that's less than 10 years, you definitely want to make sure that the installers are certified in some way to keep quality and consistency a main priority, and just making sure that they're local and established in Atlanta. There are a number of red flags I think that the customer should look out for. I think at the top of that list is probably the fly-by-nighter, the door knocker. Someone who's coming to your residence to ask, if they can roof your house. You want someone who's a local roofer, who's trusted, who has references that you can read reviews about, making sure they're accredited with the BBB. We're an A+ accreditation. You want to make sure you do your homework, make sure you check kudzu.com, make sure you check Google reviews, and just see what other people are saying about the company. That'll ensure that you have confidence when selecting a roofer. What sets KTM apart from a lot of other roofers out there is that we're physically measuring, physically walking the roof. There's so many roofers out there today that are getting satellite images of the roof, these aerial images, and really can't see the details of the project unless you're really walking that roof. You can see heat vent pipes, plumbing pipes, the condition of the material itself, flashing details, making sure that they have adequate ventilation. So all these things are really important. What we do past that is we can take pictures, we can put those pictures on our computer, and when we talk to the customer, we're virtually taking them onto the roof. And this is great because it gives you comfortability in the company because you're understanding the concepts, you have a visual, and you're also just having confidence that they're transparent and know what they're talking about, they're knowledgeable. Certifications for a roofing company I think are really important. We are certified with CertainTeed. And what that does is give us the quality and consistency of annually testing our guys on how to install these products. CertainTeed's been around for, I think it's somewhere over 100 years. So when you take, really quality, knowledgeable installers and you take a quality material, I think it's a winning recipe for a good project. Personally, I really enjoy working for KTM because we are sales consultants. We are not the car salesmen. Most of these roofers that customers are talking to are all commission-based. So they're going in there trying to sell that roof every single time. Really, we're just trying to educate, we're trying to give the knowledge to the customers so they can make a smart decision for their roof, and really that's what's most important to us.